It's one of the finest stitches that's possible with this sort of crewel work. Come up from the back again. I'm going to start in the middle of his leg this time. Come up from the back and take a stitch down. And this time you'll notice I haven't held the lead thread out of the way, I've just let go and pulled the stitch taut. Then I'm going to split that stitch in half. When you look closely at the stitch, it looks rather like stockingette and when you do knitting, knit-a-row, purl-a-row. So it lends itself beautifully to things like socks and small people's shawls and things like that.